Hello everyone, this is Richard from Modern Healthspan. Today we have a very important paper which reviews the benefits of walking like Mr Teabag, head of the Ministry of City Walks. The write-up is here, quantifying the benefits of inefficient walking, Monty Python inspired laboratory experimental study, in the British Medical Journal, no less. The study was undertaken to look for ways to address the number of people who are not meeting their recommended activity levels. In summary, they found that adults could achieve the global target, which is 76 minutes of vigorous activity a week, by walking inefficiently, using the teabag style for about 11 minutes a day. In the trial, the participants were asked to walk for 5 minutes with a normal gait, then 5 minutes each in the style of Mr. Teabag and Mr. Putty, as featured in the 1970 skit from Monty Python in the Ministry of City Walks. During this time, they wore a portable metabolic measuring system. The participants were 13 adults, 6 women and 7 men between the ages of 22 and 71, with no known gait abnormalities. We can see that when compared to both the normal gait and the putty walk, the teabag walk was much more energy intensive, using up to 2.5 times as much energy. And this has now been declassified. So let's have a quick look at the two walks. First the teabag walk and then from Mr. Putty.
That's it, is it? Yes, that's it, yes.
They measured a couple of metrics. One of these was VO2, so the amount of oxygen required per kilogram per minute. And for all participants, there was a significant increase of around 2.5-fold, from 11.3 for the normal walk and 12.3 for the putty walk to 27.9 for the teabag walk. Energy expenditure in kilocalories per kilogram per minute increased by about the same amount. These values for the teabag walk are about 8 METs, or metabolic equivalents of task, which counts as vigorous exercise. Hence, 11 minutes of walking like this each day will reach the recommended target. So there we have it. The solution to the epidemic of inactivity, to walk in a more inefficient way, was discovered by Monty Python 50 years ago. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you all the best for the day.